In today's video, I'll walk you through how you can get your Monopoly Go account back quickly and easily. Let's get started. Before we jump into the steps, there's one important thing you need to know. If you were playing using a guest account, unfortunately, there's no way to recover it. This method only works if your account was connected to something like Facebook, Apple ID, or Google. Alright, now let's move on to the process. First, open the Monopoly Go app on your phone. Once you are inside, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon. From there, go into Settings. Inside Settings, you will find an option called Customer Service. Tap on that. This will take you to a help page. Don't worry too much about what's on the screen here. Just open any article listed. It really doesn't matter which one you choose. Once the article opens, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You should now see a button that says Chat with us. Tap on it. This will connect you to a live support chat. Now all you need to do is explain your situation. Tell them that you have lost access to your account and want to recover it. The support team will guide you through the next steps and help you restore your account. And that's it. That's the easiest way to recover your Monopoly Go account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.